Hey guys, welcome to Skill-Lync. Most of us are familiar with aircrafts. Air travel is one of the most beloved methods of transport in today's world, after all. But many of us believe that the Airbus A380 is the largest aircraft ever built. Is that true? Well, let's find out today. All of us know how the aviation industry evolved within a time span of 100 years. From the small airplane built by Wright brothers to the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380, the aviation industry evolved at a very fast pace. However, many of us don't know the largest commercial aircraft ever built. The crown for being the largest commercial aircraft goes to the Antonov AN225 Mriya, designed by Antonov Design Bureau with Viktor Tolmachev as its lead designer. The Ukrainian behemoth is a relic of the Cold War, developed for the Soviet Union to carry the Buran Space shuttle. During its test flight in 1989, the aircraft set 106 world records related to weight, distance, and altitude. Currently, this grand marvel of engineering holds 200 world records. The aircraft's name is Mriya, which means dream or inspiration in Ukrainian. Now, you guys must be thinking that being the largest aircraft which holds so many world records must be brimming with high-tech equipment. Well, this isn't actually true. Being decades old, the aircraft relies on Soviet-era technology, and there's always something to repair. Being the largest and the heaviest aircraft, Mriya is one of its kind. In fact, only one of these aircrafts have ever been built. It is the only operational aircraft in the world which is powered by 6 turbofan engines. As a result of this, the entire plane vibrates when the pilot pushes the throttle. Now let's get into the design features of the Antonov AN225 Mriya. The aircraft has a length of 84 meters from its nose to tail and a wingspan of 88 meters. With a height of 18 meters, Mriya is as tall as a 6-story building. Its length and wingspan exceeds the well-known passenger jet aircraft Airbus A380 by 11.3 meters and 8.6 meters respectively. With a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, Mriya holds the crown of being the heaviest operational commercial aircraft in human history. We mentioned earlier that the aircraft was manufactured to carry the Buran spacecraft for the Soviet Union. But what is its purpose now? Soviet Union is history, right? Well, Mriya seemed to suffer a similar fate when the aircraft was shut down and its engines were dismantled to be used in smaller Antonov AN124 aircrafts. However, the aircraft's designer, Antonov Design Bureau, which became a heavy airlift shipping corporation under the name of Antonov Airlines, felt the need for a larger aircraft. That was when Mriya was re-engined, and by 2001, the behemoth took to the skies once again. The cargo capacity of the Mriya is over 250 tons. On September 11, 2001, Mriya set a new record of load carried by transporting 4 main battle tanks weighing 253.82 tons. During the same transport mission, the AN225 crew flew at an altitude of 10,740 meters over a closed circuit of 1,000 kilometers at a speed of 763.2 kilometers per hour. A total of 6 Ivchenko Progress D18T turbofan engines are used to push this beast up to the skies. Each one of these engines have a rated thrust of 230 kilonewtons. Thanks to this much thrust, the AN225 reached the skies and shattered the world records previously set by Boeing 747 jumbo jet, as well as its own predecessor, the Antonov AN124. Besides a cargo capacity of 250 tons, Antonov AN225 has a fuel capacity of 330 tons, hence giving it the capability to perform long-distance travel. Well, is that all for the Antonov AN225? Well, of course not. The aircraft has much more than this for being called a relic. One of these is its total surface area. Mriya has a total surface area of 900 square meters, which is equivalent to the size of 2 basketball courts. For loading and unloading of cargo, the aircraft's enormous nose cone is opened. This nose cone with a diameter of 6.5 meters rises silently. Once it has risen enough, the nose gear is retracted to make the aircraft kneel in the forward direction. The kneeling process of the aircraft is done with the help of a motor. Then loading ramps are put into place for transporting cargo in and out of the aircraft. The most interesting thing about this process is that it takes place with the help of a few buttons and levers, and its operation is similar to the lift ramp of a truck. The landing gear system of this giant aircraft consists of 32 wheels. Some of these wheels are steerable, which allows the aircraft to turn within a 60-meter wide runway. Furthermore, the tail assembly of the Mriya consists of a twin tail with an oversized, swept-back horizontal stabilizer. Are you wondering why the Mriya has a twin tail? Well, a twin tail allows the aircraft to carry super heavy cargo. This is because the heavy external loads would disturb the airflow around the conventional tail. If a twin tail wasn't used for this spacecraft, it could have broken apart while carrying a cargo as heavy as 4 main battle tanks. Earlier, we mentioned that Viktor Tolmachev was the lead designer of this aircraft. Do you guys believe that only him and the Antonov Design Bureau can design this behemoth? Well, I don't think so. We at Skill-Lync are providing a course on the surface designing of a Boeing 747 aircraft using SolidWorks. In this course, you will design several features of the Boeing 747 jumbo jet. Whether it's the wing or the landing gear, but hey, it's a Boeing 747. How is it going to help us in designing an Antonov AN225? This is a question that just crossed your minds, right? Well, we can assure you that once you have finished our course on Boeing 747, you will be so familiar with every feature in SolidWorks that designing an Antonov AN225 will be a piece of cake for you. Well, what are you waiting for? Enroll for our course and design the aircraft of your dream. For further information on our courses, check the link in the description below. For future videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. This is Skill-Lync, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!